Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic supply in economics. Definition. Certainly in economics, the concept of supply refers to the quantity of goods, services that producers are willing and able to offer for sale at different prices during a specific period. Supply is the amount of goods or services that are available to be bought or sold. It is determined by a number of factors, including the cost of productions, the availability of resources, and the level of demand. Here are some examples of supply. The number of cars produced by a car company in a year. The amount of wheat grown by a farmers in a season. The number of haircuts offered by a barbershop in a week. The number of seats available on a flight. When supply is greater than demand, prices tend to fall. This is because businesses are willing to lower their prices in order to sell more products. When demand is greater than supply, prices tend to rise. This is because businesses have the power to charge higher prices when there is a shortage of goods and services. Here's a brief overview. Law of supply. The law of supply states that all else being equal as the price of a goods or services increases, the quantity supplied by producers increases and vice versa. This relationship is often illustrated by a supply curve, which is graphical representations of the quantity of a goods that producers are willing to supply at different prices. Determinants of supply. Price of inputs. The cost of resources such as labor and raw materials can influence production cost and consequently the supply of product. Technology. Advances in technology can enhance production efficiency, impacting the supply of goods and services. Number of producers. The quantity supplied in a market can be influenced by the number of producers or suppliers operating in that market. Expectations. Anticipated future prices can influence current supply decisions. For example, if producers expect prices to rise in the future, they may decrease current supply to sell more at higher prices later. Supply curve. The supply curve is typically upward sloping, reflecting the positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. Movement along the supply curve represent changes in quantity supplied in response to change in price. Market equilibrium. The equilibrium prices and quantity occur when where the supply curve intersects with the demand curve. At the point the quantity supplied equals the quantity demanded, resulting in a stable market. Elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply measures how responsive the quantity supplied is to a change in price. If the quantity supplied changes significantly in response to a price change, supply is considered elastic. If it changes only slightly, supply is inelastic. The supply of goods and services can be affected by a number of factors, including government policy. Governments can influence the supply of goods and services through a variety of policies such as taxes, subsidies, and regulations. Technology. Technological advances can lead to new and more efficient ways to producing goods and services, which can increase supply. Natural disorders. Disasters. Natural disasters can disrupt the production and distributions of goods and services, which can lead to shortage and price increases. Economic conditions. Economic conditions can also affect the supply of goods and services. For example, during the recessions, businesses may produce less because they are selling less. Thank you for your attention and interest in the supply and economics presentation. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.